Hello students, welcome to Aditya Educom. Now onwards we are going to start a new episode known as Let's Know. Here we will be discuss on general studies, general knowledge, and where you can got the latest information about the current affairs as well as the general knowledge topics. So it will be help you to appear any type of competitive exam. And now on 26th January 2021 we are going to start this, and our today's topic is GK, means general knowledge about the Republic Day. So here it's your first question. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was originally composed in which language? Your options are Odia, Bengali, Telugu, Punjabi. Your time starts now. Your answer is Bengali. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was originally composed as Bharata Bhagya Vidata in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. The first change of song Bharata Bhagya Vidata was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India as the national anthem on 24th January 1950. Now we will go to the second question. Second question is, on which date the national flag of India was adopted in its present form? Your options are 22nd July 1947, 26th January 1947, 15th August 1947, 15th July 1931. Your answer is 22nd July 1947. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 22nd July 1947, when it became the official flag of the Dominion of India. A tricolor flag was first accepted by the Indian National Congress in 1931. Remember, 1931, first of all, this tricolor concept was accepted by the Indian National Congress. And at that particular tricolor flag, instead of today's chakra, you can find a charkha. Now we go to the third question. When Rajpath became the permanent venue for parade? Your options are 26 January 1955, 26 January 1947, 26 January 1952, 26 January 1950. Your answer is 26 January 1955. Rajpath became the permanent venue for the parade on 26 January 1955. Rajpath was known by the Kingsway at that time. The current Rajpath was known as the Kingsway. As we all know that every year the organization of the parade on the 26th January is done in the Rajpath situated in New Delhi. Rajpath was not organized center for the parade from 1950 to 1954. That means during this time 1950 to 1954, these activities has to be carried out in a place known as Erwin Stadium, which is now known as National Stadium, Kingsway, Red Fort and Ramlila Maidan respectively. So from this you are found to know that 1950 to 1954 in our current Rajpath, our parade was not venued. Now come to a fourth question. Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Force takes salute on Republic Day of Parade. Who is the Commander-in-Chief? I hope you must aware about this one. So your options are President, Chief Minister, Finance Minister, Foreign Minister. Now I will go for the answer. Your answer is President of India. So as all we know that the Indian Armed Force is our President. After this march past of different regiment of the armed forces, police, home guard and national cadet corps, the President of India being commander-in-chief of the Indian Armed Force, take the salute. Now come to your fifth question. Who is the first chief guest for India's first Republic Day celebration? Your options are Queen Elizabeth, President Sukarno, President Obama, King Tribhuvan Veer Vikram Shah. And answer will be President Sukarno. President Sukarno of Indonesia was the guest of honor during India's first Republic Day event in 1950. Sukarno was the leader of the Indonesian struggle for independence from Dutch Empire. Now, your sixth question. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian constitutions? Your options are Dr. Bhima Rao Ambedkar, Lala Lajpat Rai, Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. And the answer is Dr. Bhima Rao Ambedkar. On August 29, 1947, the Constitution Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Ambedkar to prepare a draft constitution for India. The drafting committee had 7 members: Aladi Krishna Swamy Iyer, N. Gopalaswamy, B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, Muhammad Sadullah, B.L. Mittar and D.P. Khaitan. So your answer is Mr. Dr. Bhima Rao Ambedkar. He is the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution. Now we will go for the 7th question. The Indian Constitution was prepared in how many days? Your options are 2 years, 10 months, 15 days, 3 years, 5 months, 14 days, 2 years, 4 months, 20 days, 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. And your answer is 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. The Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years, that is 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to be precise, to complete the historic task of drafting the Constitution for India, independent India. During this period, it held 11 sessions covering a total of 165 days. So you just remember, it is 2 years, 11 months, 17 days, almost 3 years it will take to write the entire Constitution of India. Then your 8th question is, India shows its military might on which date? Republic Day, Children's Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day. And your answer is Republic Day. 26 January 2021, India is celebrating its 72th Republic Day today on January 26, New Delhi. India today celebrates its 72th Republic Day with a 90-minute display of military might, culture, diversity and socio-economic progress. This is the time when our entire military activities, whatever our power, whatever our strengths, everything will be displayed publicly to our all the publics, and the entire ceremony has to be telecast by Government of India, the Doordarshan and other telecast also. So you can see whatever our military powers, everything can be shown to everybody. Now I will go for the 9th question. Which of these awards are announced on the evening of Republic Day? Your options are Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, none of the above. And your answer is all of the above Padma Awards. The government announced a list of Padma Awards on Monday on the evening of India's 72nd Republic Day. This year the government has chosen 7 people for Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award. The Padma Awards are confirmed by the President of the evening of the Republic Day every year. And now your last question is, the beating retreat ceremony takes place on which date? January 23, January 29, January 20, January 24. And your answer is January 29. The ceremony held on January 29 each year marks the culmination of the 4-day long Republic Day celebration. The final celebration will be taken on Rashtrapati Bhavan and on January 29. So hope all these 10 questions it will be help you to enhance your general knowledge about Republic Day. So now we will go for our participation in today's quiz. You will participate in our current quiz and you will give the answer, and one of the lucky guy who will be get a exciting gift. And your question, sir? When Purna Swaraj Day was celebrated? First question. Second question, when First Republic Day was celebrated? And third question, when Republic Day parade at Rajpath was held first time? So I hope all of you will be know about this answer, and you can go and Google that one. Even also whatever you find, you just mention the same thing in our comment box, and will be select one of the candidate, one of the student who will give us the exact answer, and we will give him a exciting prize from Aditya Educom. So firstly we will be take the recap of all the questions once again. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was originally composed in which language? Answer is Bengali. Second question, the national flag of India was adopted in present form in 22nd July 1947. Third question, when Rajpath became the permanent venue of parade? 26 January 1955. Fourth, Commander-in-Chief of India Armed Force takes salute on Republic Day parade. Who is the Commander-in-Chief? Answer is President. Fifth question, who was the first Chief Guest of India First Republic Day of celebration? President Sukarno. Sixth question, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Seventh question, the Indian Constitution was prepared in how many days? Answer is 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. Eighth question, India shows its military might on which day? Answer is Republic Day. Ninth question, which of these awards are announced on the evening of Republic Days? All Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. And final question, the beating retreat ceremony takes place on January 29. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. And now onwards we will be in touch in our coming episodes too. Thank you.